Alright, what's up guys? I'm sure you guys have seen a bunch of these around, Ring video cameras. My girlfriend just bought one for her house, and I just want to make a quick video on how to wire one. This one actually has a rechargeable battery, or you can hardwire it into the doorbell. I'm going to hardwire hers so she doesn't have to charge it. But anyways, it comes in this little box, comes with screws on the bottom, mounting plate. Normally comes off once you take these screws off, but super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First thing you have to do is remove the doorbell. There's two screws right here. These are just Phillips screws. I'm gonna grab a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, something else to note, I'm not an electrician. I do post some videos on basic electrical stuff just because it's super simple and I think that anybody can do it. But anyways, there's this little star-shaped screwdriver thing that comes with the kit, or comes with the doorbell. But just make sure these screws are taken out. And the back plate comes off. I'm going to bring you in closer right now. But once you have those screws off, this little back plate will literally fall right off. Slide it in. Put the screws back in. But this is the mounting plate for it. So I just brought you in super close, just to show you how simple it is. As you can tell, there's a light on this doorbell. You should probably go ahead and kill power before you even do this part. But it's low voltage, so I don't expect anything bad to happen. But again, you should have power killed to this. Go to the main breaker, kill the power. And you'll see two small wires come out. That's them two. The cool thing about this is that you don't have to worry about what side you're wiring this to, because it's really just completing the circuit. Anyways, I'm gonna go kill power before I do this, even though it is low voltage. Okay, so I killed power to the doorbell. There's two wires on the back, like I said. These are just Phillips screws. The main thing about this is you just want to make sure these aren't touching. So before I wire it, I'm going to go ahead and mount this plate on here. Just make sure your wires go through there, and make sure you cover up where this existing one was at. So I'm gonna go get a level and do everything right. I'm gonna get a level, mark it, and then pre-drill my holes. I'll be right back. So this is my girlfriend's level. It's kind of busted and shitty. Actually, it's just old, I think. I don't think it's shitty. I think it's just old. All my holes are marked. I'm gonna grab a drill so I can drill the first one out. Okay, with all my holes marked, I'm just gonna drill the first one. I'm gonna mount the plate. I'm gonna show you why I'm doing it one at a time. It's just to make sure your doorbell ends up So with one of them, you can actually make sure this is level. Turn it a little. You need to turn it. I need to drill bit. Fuck this. Remember, these aren't my tools. These are my girlfriend's. That's why they don't match. And good for her. At least she's getting tools, I guess. Ain't quit bitching. So now that that's on there, we just gotta wire these two in. These two little screws actually come in here. I already took them out. They're Phillip head screws. But like I said, it doesn't matter how they're wired as you're just completing an entire circuit. The main thing is you just don't want them touching at the end. That is pretty much it. And then you have these other little star-shaped screws that you put in through the bottom right here. I'll see. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah, you can't see it. Cool. And then everything's controlled through the app. You can see power to it already. It was, she charged it. I don't know why she charged it, to be honest. Knowing that she was gonna, actually I don't know if she knew that she was gonna wire it in, but. So I guess thinking if she was gonna do it herself, she probably didn't think about being able to hardwire it. But I just don't see the point in charging it repeatedly. Alright, and that's all you need to know to hardwire one of these. It's actually super fucking easy. It's low voltage. I still kill power. I'm gonna go turn the power back on, but super easy. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Don't be a hater. I'm out. I actually just turned power back on. I just want to show you it was working. Anyways, out.
Count.
Can you make noises from your phone?
I don't know.
No say.
No say.
Anyways.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
Happy?
Yeah.
Alright, out.